As you know, there are many issues is related to Windows update, new update on Windows 11 especially. So whenever Microsoft launch a new update or security patches every month, so many users face the issue related to blue screens, system is hanging, or other issues is which is not defined and which is not particularly mentioned on their website. So the best way is to resume the update after you've got all the details that this update is good for your PC. So that will be best practice for you to keep your PC safe and secure. So I should recommend you to do to this setting on your system. Go to update and security options here, and then you will see here the options like this. Most of the time Windows update automatically updates the window. They push the update from the backend, and that is the reason it is downloaded without your permission on your Windows. It's always recommended to resume and pause the update looking for the scenario. Otherwise, choosing the latest update is recommended by the Microsoft, but due to the sudden errors and unexpected errors are being reported on the Microsoft website itself, so that is the reason you can pause the update for some time. How you can pause it? Go to the pause update options here and choose the date, at least pause it for almost 2 weeks. And once you pause it, the benefit you will get it, you will get all the details about the new patches released by the Microsoft and its disadvantages on your system. Open WinRAR on your system and look for its build and its version here. And now after that, once you confirm that everything is good with the new update, you can then resume the updates on your system. And also, in order to save your internet, if you are using even the hotspot or the mobile internet, so open the services here and press anywhere on it. Press W on your keyboard. This is the bonus tip. And when you see the Windows update, it's always recommended to run it as automatic, but keeping in mind that there are many errors on Windows 11 related to updates, so choose it as a manual and stop it while running. And now it will save your internet since the background update is stopped, and that is the reason your internet is safe. So that's all for this video guys, and I hope you know the tactics and you know the importance of this video. Please let me know in the comment box what are your thoughts and what you can suggest in the comment box. I will try to reply you. So thank you. Thanks for watching.